Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Slow English Talks. I am Sarah, and today we go shopping. We follow a family, a dad, a mom, and one little boy. The little boy's name is Milo. He is 3 years old. Today, the family goes to the supermarket. They need to buy food for the week. But Milo wants to buy everything he sees. Are you ready? Let's go to the supermarket. Okay, I have the shopping list. We need milk, eggs, bread, apples, bananas, chicken, and cheese.
That's a long list.
We need food for the whole week, Ben.
Are we going? Are we going? Now?
Yes, Milo. We are going to the supermarket.
Yay! I love the supermarket.
Milo, listen. At the supermarket, we only buy things on the list, okay?
Okay, Mommy.
And I need to remember, no snacks for me.
Good. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I want to sit in the cart. I want to sit in the cart.
Okay. Up you go.
I am driving. Vroom, vroom.
You are a very good driver, Milo.
Okay, driver. First stop, the fruit and vegetables section.
I know. Bananas are yellow.
That's right. Very good, Milo.
He knows his colors. Very smart.
I am very smart. Whoa! There is so much food here.
There is a lot of food, yes.
And we only need what is on the list. Remember?
I remember, Mommy.
Okay, we need apples and bananas.
Bananas! Bananas! I see them. I see them.
Good eye, Milo. We need one bunch of bananas.
Just one?
Just one. That is enough.
Do we need apples? Yes. Here are the apples.
Yes, 6 apples, please. 1.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Done.
I can count 2. 1, 2, 3. Many.
That is good counting, Milo.
Daddy, can we get the big watermelon? Please?
Do we need watermelon, Amy?
It is not on the list.
But it is so big and green and beautiful.
Put it back, please, Milo. Okay. Goodbye, watermelon.
Carrots? Do we need carrots?
Yes. Good. Put 2 bags of carrots in the cart.
I will help. I will put the carrots in. I helped.
Good job, Milo. Next, bread, milk, and eggs.
I see the bread. Which one do we want?
The brown bread, please. It is healthier.
Okay. Brown bread.
I want the bread with the picture of the sun.
That is white bread, Milo. We need brown bread today.
Okay. Next time?
Maybe next time.
Now, milk. How much milk do we need?
2 cartons, please.
2 cartons. Got it.
Daddy, how much is the milk?
Let me look. It is $1.50.
Is that a lot?
No, that is a good price.
And finally, eggs. We need 1 dozen eggs.
1 dozen. That means 12.
12. That is a lot of eggs.
We use them every week, Milo.
Can I hold the eggs?
No, Milo. Eggs break very easily.
I will be careful.
We know you will. But let's be safe, okay?
Okay, Daddy. Whoa! Daddy! Mommy! Look!
Ah, the snacks aisle.
We don't need anything from this aisle.
But look at the sea ookies. They are so beautiful.
They do look good.
Ben?
We don't need cookies.
Right.
Can we get the cookies? Please? Please? Please?
Milo, are cookies on the list?
No. So we don't need them today. But I am hungry.
We will eat lunch when we get home, buddy.
What about the chocolate? Can we get chocolate?
Not today, Milo.
The lollipops?
No.
The gummy bears?
Milo?
Just one gummy bear?
Just one gummy bear is not how it works, Milo.
I know. But I tried.
Good try, buddy. Come on, let's keep going.
Okay. Bye-bye, cookies.
Amy, do we need chips?
No, Ben.
But they are on sale. Buy one, get one free.
Ben, chips are not on the list.
Milo, do you want chips?
Yes!
Ben,
I'm just asking.
put them back, please.
But
Put them back.
that is too expensive anyway.
They were on sale.
I know. I really wanted chips.
Daddy and I are the same. We both wanted snacks.
You are right, Milo. We are the same.
2 snack lovers. Come on. We need chicken and cheese, and then we are done.
Chicken and cheese.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Vroom, vroom.
Okay, bread, milk, eggs, apples, bananas, carrots, chicken, cheese. I think we have everything.
Do we have everything on the list?
Let me check. Yes, we have everything.
We did it. We got everything.
Great teamwork, everyone.
How much is everything?
It is $42.
Okay, here you go.
Can I carry a bag?
You can carry the small bag, Milo.
I am strong. I can carry the big bag.
The small one is perfect for you, buddy.
I am helping.
Whoa. Yes, you are. Good job, Milo.
Mommy, are we getting more food next week?
Yes, every week.
Can we go to the snacks aisle again?
Yes, Milo. Every week.
And can I get cookies next time?
We will see.
That means yes.
He is asleep.
He worked very hard today.
We all did. Same time next week?
Same time next week. Great job today. Did you follow the story? Ben, Amy, and Milo went to the supermarket. Milo wanted cookies. Dad wanted chips. But Mom said no. And in the end, they got everything on the list. Let's remember our 9 key phrases now. 9 key phrases. Are you ready? 1, let's go. 2, do we need? 3, can we get? 4, how much is it? 5, that's too expensive. 6, put it back, please. 7, I'm hungry. 8, we have everything. 9, good job. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. What food do you always buy at the supermarket? Tell me in English. See you next time. Goodbye, everyone. Take care.